Hi guys, it's Kevin here from Technics. So today we're going to tell you what's in the box of a Technics turntable. Today we've got the SL40CBT. So we'll go through everything you get in the box. Just be aware that there's a few bits extra in this one that we'll go through a little bit later. So we'll go through everything we've got here for now. We've got a turntable. We've also then got the platter and a mat. We'll tell you in a later video how you put those together, and it's a really simple process. You also get a power lead, a ground cable, a pair of RCA cables to connect it to an amp, a counterbalance weight, and an adapter for 45 records. You get a head shell. This one has a cartridge on it. Now it's important that you understand this one comes fitted with a cartridge, so it's ready to go. The same with the SL1500C. However, all other models come without a cartridge fitted, so the customer will need to get one of those. They'll also then get one of these, and this is a jig to help them fit the cartridge on all other models. So that's the 1300G, the GR2, and all other G models. Additional to that, you get a lid, and obviously the all-important set of instructions. That's what's in the box.